This is the new passenger arrival here in Jensan. Init yapon siya, no? Ito na yung bago, katatapos lang. So this is departure area ng General Santos City Airport. Patapos na rin, no? Very nice place. Siguro mga in a month's time. Bye-bye.
Ingat sa Europe.
Oo nga, no? Yes, is going Iloilo na area for departure. Departure na area. So may oras na rin pala. May time, no? So very new na hallway. It's being completed, and they have a camera pala there. So mahaba-haba din to, no? There's some dissatisfaction sa yung drop off ng mga passengers, no, in Jensan. Sana ma-solve to dito, because ang ginagawa kasi yung present setup, mag-parking ka dyan, then maglalakad pa yung mga passengers. Hopefully ma-settle yung issue here, no? Babagsak dito, bababa yung passengers here, then they can drop off, then mag-parking. So kasi present setup kasi parking, then maglalakad yung mga passengers, no? Yung mga reklamo. So kung may umuulan, that's the problem. Hopefully masasolve to dito, no? This is part of yung improvements ng Jensan Airport. Laki-laki din, no? Here, yung sa loob, improve na rin siya, no? So transparent siya, no? Transparent. The roofing is transparent, no? As we mentioned, may security camera there, no? Security camera there also. Then oras here. So this is their pasok departure area, no, ng mga passengers papasok. Amay? Let's go. Papasok na si Kiars. This is the new design, no, ng airport sa taas. New design. Ito lang, you go to Presto, medyo mainit. So yung present setup, yung mga passengers there, no, parking, mainit, no, like now super init, mabigat yung dala mo, you bring it there, no, papunta doon na area. Is part of yung terminal area. And so this is yung airport, no. Ito yung from the malayo na view. Ito yung drop off, no, passenger drop off area. Okay, so we're going dito muna sa Presto. If you want to have a place na mag-standby muna, aircon, it's in Cafe Leticia, no? Dito sa right side, no, portion ng airport. So while waiting for yung flight, pwede kang standby muna dyan sa Cafe Leticia.